To download and install Hitfilm Express, go to the official website, and over here you can just click download free. Just slide over to 0 and click download. Over here create your account and fill out the form and click send me the Express download. Open your download and click get your Express installer and choose the Windows if you're on a Windows or Mac or if you're on a Mac. Choose the folder where you want to download the program, click save and wait for the download to finish. When it's done, click the icon, click next, accept the agreement, next. You can choose the setup type, let's go with custom. And over here you can see the application files, effects and transitions, Mocha hit install complete, or go custom and choose the elements, and now just click install. And if you want to start Hitfilm Express right away, just make sure this is selected, click finish and click activate and unlock. Now type in email and password from the website that you log in and click restart. Now just close it and run it again, and there you go.